This question is based on distance, speed and time. So the question is as follows: by increasing the speed of car by 10 kilometers per hour, the time of journey for a distance of 72 kilometers is reduced by 36 minutes. Find the speed of the car, original speed of the car. So you have a distance of 72 kilometers and you have a car. You're going on a car here. Okay. So by increasing the speed by 10 kilometers per hour, the time of journey is being reduced by 36 minutes. So let the speed of car be equal to, okay, the time is given in minutes. So again, the speed of the car, the units of speed of the car is in your hands. So आप अलग अलग तरीके से यूनिट सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, किलोमीटर्स पर, मीटर्स पर सेकेंड, एनी यूनिट्स. So मैं क्या करता हूं, लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द कार बी x किलोमीटर्स पर मिनट लेता हूं. देखिए, लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द कार बी, सॉरी, x किलोमीटर्स पर आवर लेंगे क्योंकि यहां किलोमीटर्स पर आवर लिया. So let the speed of the car be x kilometers per hour. Okay, initial speed. Let the original speed. Let the time taken. Let the time taken be t hours. So let the initial original speed be x kilometers per hour and let the time taken be t hours. Okay, this is the first situation. In the second situation, let the speed be x plus 10. Okay, according to the question, the speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour. Time taken is equal to t minus 36 by 60 hours. ध्यान दे दीजिए. This is very important because the time is reduced by 36 minutes, but t is taken in hours. So a 36b you have to convert into hours and then substitute in the assumption. So time taken is t minus 36 by 60 hours. 36 minutes is 36 by 60 hours. Clear? So according to physics, you know that distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into time. The second situation also, you are moving from A to B. So 72 is also equal to x plus 10 into t minus, ये कितना है? 12 3s are 12 5s are. So 3 by 5. Okay. So this implies 72 is equal to xt plus 10t minus 3x by 5 minus 6. So yes, 72 is xt. So xt and 72 gets cancelled, which implies 10t minus 3x by 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. So you get 50t minus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. So you want the speed of the car. So आप क्या करिएगा? So यहाँ से take either t or x, and then substitute it in this. So let me eliminate t क्योंकि आपको speed of the car चाहिए, which is x. So यहाँ से t is equal to 3x plus 30 by 50. 3x plus 30 by 50. Let us substitute it in this equation. So this implies 72 is equal to x times 3x plus 30 by 50. So on cross multiplication you get 72 times 50 is equal to 3 times x square plus 10x. So 3 you can cancel it here, 24 times. So 12 into 100. So x square plus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. x square plus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. This I think is 60 into 50 है क्या? नहीं. So 1200 is 60 into 20. 1200 is 60 into 20. This don't work. So यहाँ 60 को आप 10 into 2. This is 10 into 2 into 3. So 40 into 30 लिख सकते हैं. So if you split it as 40x minus 30x, you get x plus 40 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x can be equal to minus 40 or 30. So discarding minus 40, so you get the original speed of the car as 30 kilometers per hour. Is this clear? So the speed of the car, the original speed of the car is 30 kilometers per hour. So let's go forward. So next question is based on cost price and selling price. So the question is something like this: by selling an article at rupees 24, a trader loses as much percent as the cost price of the article. Find the cost price. So let the CP of article be X rupees. What is the SP? SP of the article is given as 24 rupees. It's given that the trader loses as much percentage as cost price. Loss is nothing but, what is the formula for loss? Loss का मतलब है CP ज्यादा है, SP कम. So X minus 24, CP minus SP is the loss. What is percentage loss? So loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. And according to the problem, percentage of loss is same as the value of CP, that is X. This implies X minus 24 by X into 100 is same as X, which implies 100X minus 2400 is equal to X square, which implies X square minus 100X plus 2400 is equal to 0. So you can try to factorize it again. So 2400 is nothing but 6 into 4, that is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 100. So this is 6 and 4 काम नहीं करते हैं. Anything else? 8 3s नहीं. So x square minus 100x plus 2400 is equal to 0. Let us do the prime fact. Let us do the splitting here. So 24 is 8 3s are 24, 100. So 60 into 40. So 60 into 40 is 2400. 60 plus 40 is 100. So this is x minus 60 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to either 60 or 40 rupees. That means the cost price of the article is either 60 rupees or 40 rupees. Both are fine. So if the cost price is 60 rupees, the loss percentage is how much? एक बार हम check करेंगे. So check. If x is equal to 60, percentage loss is 60 minus 24 by 60 into 100, which is 34, 34 by 60 into 100, which is not same as 60. 60 नहीं आ रहे, देखिए 40 के लिए 40 minus 24 by 40 into 100 is equal to 16 by 40 into 100, which is equal to 40. हाँ, ये काम किया. So x is equal to 60 is not working. So x is equal to 40 is the answer. Okay. एक बार फिर चेक करता हूं क्यों काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. So 60 अगर है तो so 60 minus 24 is 36. Sorry, 36 by 60 into 100. 60 आ रहे. That means both are valid. So x is equal to 60 rupees is also satisfying our condition. X is equal to 40 is also satisfying our condition. So the cost price of the article can be rupees 40 or rupees 60. In both cases, the information is getting satisfied. Next question देखिए. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 6. When 9 is added to the number, the digits are interchanging. Find the number. इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत इजी है, आप ट्रायल एंड एरर से भी निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि एक 2 डिजिट नंबर है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर्स इज 6. सो आइदर 2 3 से बना हुआ होता है या 1 6 से बना हुआ होता है. सो इट कैन आइदर बी मेड ऑफ 2 and 3 or 16. So 23, if you add 9, it's becoming 32. The numbers are getting reversed. So our condition is satisfied. The required number is 23. Okay, but we'll derive it in a proper fashion. So let the 2-digit number be xy. xy का मतलब x into y नहीं. Let the number be xy, that is the tens digit is x, the units digit is y. So what is the value of number? Value of the number is equal to 10x plus y, right? The value of a 2-digit number is 10 times the tens digit and 1 times the ones digit. So according to the problem, there are two conditions. X into y is equal to 6. The product of the digits is 6. And 10x plus y को आप 9 add किया तो the number becomes yx. Yx is nothing but 10y plus x. So from this you get 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 9. This implies x minus y is equal to minus 1. This implies y is equal to x plus 1. So if you substitute here, so x into x plus 1 is equal to 6. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to either minus 3 or 2. You can neglect this minus 3. So x has to be equal to 2, hence y is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. The required number is equal to 23. So derivation हो गया देखिए. So this is the simple derivation of the given question. Is this clear? So let's go to the next question.